When Yamaha announces the development of a next-generation outboard, it's safe to assume that means lighter, quicker, stronger and smarter. And with the announcement of the all-new Yamaha F90 four-stroke outboard, it's clear that Yamaha engineers have been able to deliver above and beyond the greatest of expectations. The new F90 is the most powerful engine in Yamaha's mid-range category, with design inspiration taken from the industry-leading F70 and big capacity power, componentry and engineering adapted from Yamaha's exceptional F115. The all-new F90 is able to deliver the perfect mix of refinement and brute power. The new F90 features a new powerhead displacing 1.8 litres. That's 12.5% greater engine volume than the previous generation F90. Most impressively, the new big displacement F90 weighs in close to 10 kilograms lighter. Bigger displacement and lighter weight means more responsive performance. The single overhead camshaft, actuating 4 valves per cylinder, allows the F90 to achieve the weight savings of a single camshaft, while still delivering the smooth and efficient performance only seen in a 16-valve, 4-cylinder engine of this size. Precision multi-point fuel injection provides outstanding acceleration and fuel efficiency. The new F90 is driven by genuine Yamaha propellers. This includes a brand new range of aluminium GP series propellers, purpose-built for Yamaha's mid-range engines, featuring Yamaha's exclusive shift dampener system for smooth and quiet shifting and operation. The F90 can also be fitted with Yamaha's award-winning multi-function tiller handle. The F90 utilises Yamaha's variable trolling RPM switch, activated through Yamaha's command link gauges or the multi-function tiller handle, allowing anglers to fine-tune their lure presentation for better fishing. An all-new remote dash-mounted VTS switch is now also available for quick and convenient adjustments on the fly. Additional features incorporated into the new F90 include an improved charging system, generating 35 amps, 40% more than its predecessor. A redesigned long-span mounting system which absorbs vibration for smooth and quiet operation. And like all Yamaha outboards, these new models benefit from one of the most comprehensive corrosion protection systems on the water, with engine blocks and heads cast in Yamaha's exclusive marine aluminium alloy YDC30. And for added peace of mind, the new F90 is YCOP compatible for improved theft protection and security. Dock it and lock it. With the addition of the new F90, not only does Yamaha now have a class-leading outboard motor in each horsepower category, Yamaha also produces the most diverse range of engine platforms within these horsepower categories. Each engine platform has been tailor-made to satisfy the individual requirements of customers and their boats. Within Yamaha's range, there is no need for skippers to compromise when it comes to selecting a power option that's perfect for their boat. Next generation performance. Reliability starts here.